Watch. Well, it's not a plan. Here we go on, man. Yo, franchise the choosing one. The 10-star general. And you know when we come to represent, you know a full effect thing, don't it? When you know it go already, you know. When we load up, aim up, crank up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch it, man. You know the people's champion. You know a Gaza favorite. You know the world greatest. Watch me, man. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Here in the Gaza nation. Watch this. When nothing go on for you, them want step on you like carpet. Soon as something go on for you, and something of them a look a friend, them want beg. Watch me, my ratings arise from my savings and my interest high. When me used to talk, them never recognize. World boss say watch my ratings get high. Tell them no put me on the level. I'm above level. God over devil. I'm above. Watch. You know the general, the 10-star one are representing a full effect. You are going on Gaza nation. Right about now, I see them a twist this thing around, you know. And they want to use them mode for creating, you know, all kind of havoc what I see them go on with. Then, so here we are going, you know. They both of them stay so and claim, say alkaline, they tell Vybz card, they tell Squash, say, him not depend on nobody. So them see Squash put out a video with him and Vybz Kartel in the paper and I chop some lyrics. And immediately some boys start chat up them mouth and I go like a little shisky bag. Because here we go on now. Him claim say, you know, Squash man have to depend on Vybz Kartel and alkaline never depend on Vybz Kartel. Well, make the people them know loud and clear. I know say all of what your chat say. It's like some tracing match in and nobody not trace it, you know. But here we go on, man. When you remember, say what him do, him never have to get no highlight from the man. Because nothing what him get, what him do, what Vybz Kartel do, in the past already. It wasn't given to him. Remember, it's stolen. Remember, him stole all of the man style and the man ideas them. I remember, you know, fake him way in the business. When him fake and get the attention with the eyeball business. That's where I deal with. And him steal all of the man style them. I steal them, them never given to him. And that's why I get beaten all now. Go back, go look for when him a roll with not nice. Remember him come out and tell the people them, you know, say if them think Vybz Kartel controversial, watch what go on, you know. Cause him claim him more controversial. Remember him drop body wash and him still a get beaten all now for that. You know remember? Eh? So what you come and talk about? And when you come and talk about Vybz Kartel don't want him for clash. Him don't want Squash and Chronic Law to keep on clash alkaline because alkaline are going to get the king and him don't want alkaline get the king. You can get the king by just doing that. Eh? Where the hit song them there. Where the consecutive hit song them there. Ear to ear. Eh? Where the domination there. Where the billboard hits them there. Stop tell the people them fucker. I'm going to warn you, know, Gaza people. You know, go over them channel, go say nothing at all to them. I want to see the boy of them they live. Leave them alone, you know. A real thing me I tell you, you know, no lollipop thing, you know. Because here I go on. I see Virgil TV, you know, yesterday, you know. Call a look a shisky bag there, you know, and I reason with him, you know. And I know say when you have a platform, you know, where you have people calling, you know, must get the same people them who I think as the same way as all you think. It can be a debate, sometimes it can be a good reasoning, and you still as the people them will control the platform, they still have to allow the people them will calling to voice them own opinion. You see what I deal with? Because that entitled to them. So if them voice them opinion and it not sound like what you are saying, you can't beat down the people them for that. The most you can do is left them with them own opinion and you keep your own thing. Because when somebody are reasoning, you know, it's not about winning a point. Reason is something or wise up both our knowledge as long as we not reason for win a point against each other. Yes, so when I deal with excellence is no perfection, my friend. It's a provoking habit or something we have to practice. And yesterday I never liked the way the pussy chat to Virgil TV. Yes, so when I deal with worse when the man come off on page. Him and him friend them they go like say or some form of Vybz thing them a deal with or some form of friction thing. I don't understand it. That's when I deal with like him out for the man long time and him well in a tracing match. To me him is nothing more than a girl pit me. And I know say him is a girl child because be a girl pit me style him up. Gaza people you know, go over them channel, go support them, go try to challenge them in a no form of argument whatsoever. Because them are intelligent when them want trace or when people are beat them bad. You see what I deal with? And then a lollipop thing. And all of them things the way I talk about is one bag of hypocrisy. You see what I deal with? Because you and a man challenge that can't give the bumbuckler kingship. Oh, you not talk about that about Gage. Alright, now Gage and Shane clash are more lyrical clash. Because the best two songs come out of the clash there. A Bumbuckler, Pinocchio and One Shot. Yeah? Vybz Kartel no step over them head with Joan. It all dep on all big channel. It all a play on all big channel in a Bumbuckler, New York. Yeah. You tell me which one of them clash song them you hear play on the radio station over here. Cut you no fuck with all. But get kingship and dominate. You know what I mean? Where the fuck? Where the hit song them there? Where the hit song them there? Where the international hits there? You know what I mean? Because him there in America like 3 years now around. Where the international hits there? Where the mark and the stamp where him stamp there? Where the seal there? Where the blueprint there? Where the tick there? Him not have nothing for sure international. Him earn himself a few show here and there and that's about it. Want me to the international hits? Who here I call up him name? Which channel him music a dominate over here? Shut your mouth look a lollipop boy with dust come out of your yard and a chat up your mouth. You know what I mean? And when the people them a beat you, I see you come out on social media and a ball. And you have some little sissy friend like yourself who them a jump in and a call and a act like a some Vybz thing. When you think you can gang the man? Eh? I warning in the Gaza people, you know, go over none of them look a lollipop channel, they go hold no form of argument with them, you know. You see what I deal with because all the clashing you see are go on, you know. The two songs them world boss drop, you know, get more highlight than them song than them a play more in a dancehall than them song than them still a play per radio station more than them song there. So I don't know where the fuck them a talk about. Them to world boss look to you them. Drop them skinny jeans song and it a blast down the radio channel right now, especially same place I say in Brooklyn. In Brooklyn, New York, and you know, joke thing. And we not hear them song. So I don't know what the fuck that him talk about. But I get for find out, you know. So I saw them deal with things. When I go on them want create something, use them mouth and create something, but make me want to know something I'm telling you, you know. Yo, me's not a blogger. You know hear what I say? Me's not a blogger. I say me's a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube. You hear me? So you don't come over 10 Star TV if you hear nothing spectacular about an artist. When 10 Star represent I beat down somebody for Gaza, you hear that? So you know anytime you hear me I represent, you know what time it is. So don't come over here to come listen to nothing at all what 10 Star say, because it's not going to be about your artist, my friend. I make that loud and clear, I make that be known. I know lollipop thing when I sound the big thing them. Anytime I drop necessary equipment, a loud explosion thing. I want to get that on the head. So in order to come over my channel for feel like so me pissing off or me make you feel bad in on yourself. Don't come over 10 Star TV, come watch nothing. It's not about food no gas up my birthday. You hear that? 10 Star is not a lollipop bumbleclot youth. We are gonna come to you with some lollipop and can cheer argument. When 10 Star sound the big thing, them a straight blood clot beat down me deal with. And I say a Gaza I represent to the fullest. So don't come over yourself here, nothing more. So if you don't like how I sound the big thing, them don't come over yourself. So you're gonna always feel bad and pissed off. I'm not going to talk in the behalf of Uno. It has to be Gaza. And although I say a Gaza I represent, I'm still not telling no lie. You hear that? At the general, the 10 Star one I represent, and I say Gaza people, I warn you, don't go over the pussy hole them channel, go hold up no farmer argument with them. Leave these pussies, make them stay by them pussies self. You hear that at the general, the 10 Star one in a full effect. And if you don't like how my sound, you say, watch, Gaza way. Ain't no other way. Watch. General, 10 Star. Watch.